January the 22nd, 2019. This is a project I started yesterday. It is a small Maul hammer I'm going to make with leather on each end. As you can see in there, there's a lead ball on that side. There's actually two there going towards the center, and there's two on this side, and where that hole is going to be leather on both sides, and right where that mark is, I'm going to put a center hole to put a handle. This is made from two pieces of 4" by 4" by 1" thick cherry wood glued together. Then I trimmed it down on a chop saw to 4" by 1 by 1 squared, and then I put it in the lathe, my wood lathe, and I drilled a hole on each end of it, and I centered it, and then I turned it to this shape, and then where that hole is, I put a forcener bit in my drill press and went down about a 1/2 inch with that big hole on both sides, and then down the middle I went with another forcener bit about a 1/2 inch straight through, so I could epoxy in two lead balls on each side. So the lead balls go from about here to here, and about from here to here. It gives some weight, and then when I drill the hole through here, through the other side, I'll put the handle in, and then eventually I will take leather and roll it and epoxy it in both ends, and on each side from here to here and from here to here, I'm going to put a piece of steel ring from a pipe and cut it and recess both ends and slip the ring on so that it keeps the wood from splitting. Anyway, have a great day, and when I get to the finished project I'll put another video up. But I'm not doing a whole project here learning how to turn or to glue wood. There's plenty of information up on YouTube of how to glue wood and how to turn wood and how to drill holes. So this is just a project to show you what can be done with a piece of wood and the results. Have a great day. January the 23rd, 2019. This is a small project I started January 21st or the 22nd. I'm sure it's the 21st, and I'm in the process of finishing it, and I just wanted to bring out the rest of this project. On each end here I put a piece of steel. It was cut from 1.5 inch pipe. I cut rings off a pipe, and then I recessed the wood and pushed it on after I heated and blued the steel. And then in the hole here I put in leather. I used crazy glue to stick the leather together and shoved it in the hole on both sides. And then eventually today, hopefully, I'm going to put a hole right there where that dot is, right there to the other side, right there, and put a handle in it, and then I'm going to finish the wood. I have to say I did a poor job on this, just because of my lathe and what I'm using. It's the first time I'm using this small little lathe with a chuck on it. Anyway, it should be alright, and this will be a little kind of Maul leather hammer, just to tap stuff that I don't want to mar. Anyway, have a great day, and when I finish I'll come back. January the 23rd, 2019. Just finished the Maul leather hammer. Not too bad. I cleaned it up, oiled the leather, did a little sanding, mounted the handle. It's not bad. Anyway, it'll work. Nice and soft. It'll be great for moving stuff that I don't want to mar, just with a little tap. Have a great day.